it's me Simmy. Welcome to La Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one-stop for everything makeup and skincare. Before I begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon which is right next to it so that you are updated and notified every time we upload a new video. So we're all quarantined in our houses, but honestly I don't really mind it that much because I'm getting a lot more time to brush up on my makeup skills. And talking about makeup, I thought of sharing a few makeup looks that might come really handy because there are a lot of you girls who are still, working from home, so you might have to attend a lot of business calls, and not to forget a lot of dates are happening virtually. So I'm going to share a few tips that's going to be really handy for you guys for all your virtual video call sessions. So I'm going to be sharing 3 makeup looks with you guys. First one is if you are, getting on a video call with your friends and you still want to look presentable. So I'm going to show you a makeup look which is just using 2 products. One is a foundation and a lipstick. So let's get started. So the foundation that I'm going to be using today is the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 106 Sun Beige, and I'm going to take a little bit, just a tiny amount of this, and I'm basically just going to use my hands to apply that all over my face. So I'm not going to go for that full coverage look. I'm just applying it to get a nice even finish all over my skin. So as you can see, I'm just literally using my fingers to just press the product into my skin and just spreading it all over my face. I'm going to use my fingers to just go underneath my eyes as well, just making sure everything is nicely covered and it's all evened out. That's it. Alright, so now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm moving on to the next product, which is a lipstick, and for that I have the L'Oréal Paris Root Signature Liquid Matte Lipstick, and the shade that I'm going for is 129 I Lead, and I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand because I don't want to apply it directly on my cheeks. So I'm going to be using this as a blush first. So I'm going to just take my fingers, warm it on my hand a little before I apply it on my cheeks, and then you want to just start tapping it on the apples of your cheeks like that. It just instantly brings life to your face, so you look instantly like healthy, happy, younger and everything. And I think that is it. That literally takes about 30 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to be using the same lipstick as my lipstick. And I'm just gonna blend it out using my fingers because I don't want the lipstick to be very stark. So I'm gonna just fade it a little using my finger. If you want to find out a few more ways as to how you can use your lipstick, then click on this video right here and go check out the hacks. And with that, my first look is complete. It hardly takes about a minute, but you look really nice and presentable even for your hangout session with your friends. And now moving on to the second look, which is a corporate meeting look. Now obviously a lot of meetings are happening virtually and you still want to look presentable. So over and above this, I'm going to be using a few more products that can give you that nice, well-polished, meeting ready look. So the first product that you want to use is a concealer, and for that I'm using the L'Oréal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm in the shade Amber, and I'm going to use this concealer underneath my eyes to just brighten up my face a little bit, and just around the areas where I need a little bit more coverage. And again, I'm going to keep it very simple, and I'm going to use my fingers to blend all of that into my skin. And now, because I've already used a foundation and blush, I'm not going to be using brushes. I'm just using my finger to literally press the product into my skin so that the existing product doesn't come off. And it also gives a very nice natural finish. And I'm always a fan of using fingers for blending, base products because it gives a more natural, blended kind of a finish. So I'm just patting that into my skin like that, literally pressing the product into my skin. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to be using is an eyeliner, and for that I have the L'Oréal Paris Gel Intensa eyeliner. So I'm going to be creating a smudge smoky liner with this. So first you want to just create a very thin line very close to your lash line. And it doesn't matter if it's crooked or anything because we're going to be smudging it out anyway. So just create a very thin line, and then you want to use a small fluffy blending brush like this and then just blend it out so that it gives a nice smudged, smoked out effect, which looks really very natural. And I think it's perfect for your office meetings. And that is it for the eyes. If you're doing a smudge liner, you don't really have to apply eyeshadow. You can come directly to the mascara. And I'm using the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara for this. I'm gonna apply it on my top and bottom lashes. Using a mascara just sort of completes the eye look, so never skip out on a mascara. It just opens up your eye and just gives your eye that definition. So I never skip out on mascaras, especially if I'm doing like a smudge liner, because it gives a very nice finish, as you can see. Okay, so with that we're done with look number 2, which is your corporate meeting looks. So I hope you guys liked it. So I have one more look to share with you guys, which is a glam look, which is going to be perfect if you are planning any date nights virtually. So on top of this, I'm just going to add a few more products here and there, and that's it. You're done with your date night look as well. So let's get started. So for the last and final look, I'm just going to intensify the blush that I've already used, because you guys know how much I love blush. So I'm just going to use the L'Oréal Paris La Barre blush in the shade City Explorer number 8. And it's a very nice soft corally peach color, which is perfect for your date night calls. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on a brush and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. That's it. And with that, I'm done with the blush, but glam looks are incomplete without a little bit of shimmer on your face, right? So I'm going to be using a highlighter, which is the L'Oréal Paris La Barre Blush Highlighter in the shade Be Brave number 16. And I'm going to apply that on the high points of my face. So on the cheekbones, just pulling it backwards like that. Make sure it kind of blends with your blush. And then on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my chin, and just right above my eyebrow. So with that, it's a wrap for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed all of the looks that I've shared with you. If you have any specific look that you want me to share, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do that. And with that, signing off for now. All the details of the products that I've used in today's video are mentioned in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you leave, and also hit on the bell icon so that you're notified and updated every time we upload a new video. And with that, I will see you next time. Bye!